Imagine being able to use water without wasting it. Imagine making 10 liters of water as powerful as over 4,000 liters. Don't just imagine it. Make it real with the world's most economical dishwashers, the new active water generation from Bosch. Because with our new rinsing technology, you can make the most of every drop of water to achieve the best possible results. The innovative dosage assist makes sure the detergent dissolves in the water gradually, making it work more effectively throughout the dishwasher. With VarioFlex Plus, your dishes are always arranged perfectly so that every drop of water is as effective as it can be, with 10% more capacity. And the new Vario drawer is just the place for your silverware and smaller items. But you'll have no idea just how effective your water is, thanks to the extra quiet technology. Make the most of every last drop of water with active water from Bosch. Less water, less energy, more performance. Bosch, invented for life.